From the partner perspective, when you look at these consulting houses that are going into workflow related activities, and you brought up agent force, so do you tend to see people who tend to do well on like CRM, ERP, those type of tools, they tend to do well with your deployment, or is it more of a generic capability like an agency that is in creative services wants to do program management? They can, like, when you think about the resell motion, where do you see velocity in your ecosystem?
Yeah, I mean, so the resale motion is honestly, we are still our fastest is with the line of business owners. That rogue purchase, right? That helps a line of business owner move something along in a much more automated, efficient manner. So that still remains where the velocity ultimately lies for us, is within a specific function and pain point. But we are seeing more and more, and from a company standpoint, we're focusing more and more on the enterprise and truly being an enterprise grade. And what we're seeing now is some of our larger partners, our GSI partners, are really helping some of these enterprise companies establish internal COEs around PMO or portfolio management, or even with some of the pharmaceutical companies or med tech companies around trials, and how do we use Smartsheet to optimize the clinical trials process in motion and making sure that things are moving more. So we are seeing a larger streamlined enterprise play, but it's obviously a longer sales cycle and process there, and more players. So partners partnering with partners to ultimately bring that to light. But the pure velocity still tends to be with line of business, much more point solutions, and then we grow from there.